Hi everyone, it's time for our maths lesson, and today we're going to be looking and exploring one more than any number within 6. Yesterday you were also looking at number 6, weren't we? But we were doing it using this, which we called a part-whole model. And just to remind you, we started off by saying the whole number was 6. We got 6 counters and put them into our number 6, and then we were looking at how we can split these into parts. So for example here, we put them all 6 into this part and then there's none in there. We can move one across. Now we have 5 in one part, 1 in another. Let's make 6 all together. 4 in one part, 2 in the other. 6 all together. How many are there in each part now? That's right, 3. How many all together? 6. So 3 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 5, and then 0 and 6. So that was yesterday's learning. Now in today's learning, as I say, we're going to be learning about one more with numbers to 6. But before we do, let's get ourselves organised. You will need something to write with. You will need something to write on. So pause the video, go and get them now. Oh, and you will also need some counters, 6 counters. I'm using pasta. As you know by now, anything that you've got in your house that you can use to count, it becomes a counter. So, yesterday we were looking at 6, and I asked if some of you would maybe try and sing the song about 6 little speckled frogs. Well, we're going to have a go at doing that again now. Now, I'm going to use my piece of wood as my log, and I'm going to use my pasta as my frogs. So 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 frogs. And now we'll sing the song. Join in if you can. You ready? 6 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green speckled frogs. Glug, glug. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green speckled frogs. Glug, glug. 4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. Glug, glug. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. Glug, glug. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. Glug, glug. 1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious grubs. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 0, none. No green speckled frogs. Glug, glug. Yeah, all the frogs have jumped off. Oh, there they are. Landed in the pool. I'm going to move some of these things out of the way because I've just had an idea. We can use that song to help us to learn about one more than a given number. So, at the moment, let's have a look. First, there are no frogs on the log, but if we had one frog jump boing onto our log, how many frogs are on the log? Yeah, 1. So we have 1 frog, and then 1 more frog's going to jump on. You ready? Boing. So we had 1, and now we've got 1 more. How many frogs are on the log altogether? That's right, 2. So there's 2 frogs on the log. 1 more is going to come. You're going to see what's going to happen. We've got 2. Wonder what's going to happen. What's 1 more than 2? 1, 2, 3. That's right, 3. So now we have 3 frogs on the log all together. And here comes another one. Here comes another one. Boing! How many frogs are on the log now? There were 3. One more came. There are, 4. How many do you think when one more comes? We've got 4. One more. Let's have a look. Boing! 5. Yeah, there's 5 frogs. Were you right? Okay, we have 5 frogs on the log. We've got one more to jump on. So here comes our last frog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boing! There, and it's landed on the log. How many frogs are on the log? Can you show me with your fingers? That's correct. There are 6 frogs on the log altogether. I wonder if you can now pause the video and see if you can use your counters and make up your own frog song just like I've done. Okay, have a go now. Pause the video. How did you get on? Did you manage to make it work? Okay, so is that right, parents? Yeah, okay, that's great. Okay, now I'd like you to play a game with your adult. Now, adults, there's something you need to do here. We're going to be needing a number track to 6. I'll show you how we're going to draw one. I'd like you to do this at home, please. Obviously, encourage your child to join in too. So we're going to have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to make them into a track. I'm going to separate them all up. Okay, now I made a number track. Guys, can you say the numbers with me, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, guys. Adults, can you press pause and draw yourselves your number track, please? Okay, thank you. We're going to be playing a game of one more. Now, you need 2 players. I've only got me. Well, I've got the dog as well. He can't see him at the moment. Oh, here he is. Hang on. Wizard, come here then. Are you going to tell me to play a game? You think he's going to be a good help? Do you know what? I know how good he is at helping. He's not brilliant. He's a lovely dog, but not very good at helping. Just let's see if we've got another one of our friends. Hey, who's that behind you, Wiz? Wizard, who's this? No, not over there yet. Oh, it's Susan. No, it's not for you. Go down, naughty dog. This is Susan. This is not for you. This is to show the children. Susan likes to see children. She likes dogs, but she prefers children. Okay, hi everyone. My name's Susan. I've come to help Mr. Trick today. Hello. I'm a special animal. I'm an animal called a sloth. I'm called a 3-toed sloth. Why do you think I might be called a 3-toed sloth? Shall we see? 1, 2, 3 toes. Yeah. Let's check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, Susan, would you come and play a game with me? Oh, yes, please, Mr. Trick. Okay, guys. Susan and I are going to play a game. Now, we're going to use our number track. And I'm going to choose a number. And then Susan's going to choose a number. But her number's got to be to one side, next to mine, to one side of mine. So I'm going to choose this number. Susan, which number are you going to choose? Oh, let me go and have a look. It's got to be on either side, so it could be one of those two. I'm going to choose this number. What number did Susan choose? 3, yeah. So I choose 4. Susan chose 3. I am the winner because 4 is 1 more than 3. Oh, Mr. Twig, can we play again? Yeah, okay then. Right then, Susan, would you like to go first? Oh, yes, please. Right, Susan, can you choose a number? Yeah, I'm going to choose this number. Susan's chosen number 3. Now it's my turn to choose a number. Now, I'm going to choose this number. What's that then? Yeah, number 2. So, Susan, you chose 3. I chose 2. You're the winner because 3 is 1 more than 2. It's a bigger number. Okay. Now, guys, I'd like you to try and play this game like Susan and I did. Give you a bit of a top tip, guys. Look which way the bigger number comes. It always comes to this side. Okay. So for your learning today, I'd like you to have a go, play the game, and then maybe let me know who's the winner. Okay. Do you think you can do that? Do you think they can do that, Susan? Yeah, okay. All right. Okay, guys. Well, look, your learning today then is to have a go at investigating who can make the bigger number. Okay. Enjoy your learning. Bye. Bye. Some more things that we forgot to say. Adults, when you're working with the children, could you try to encourage them to say things like, you got 3, I got 4, I am the winner because 4 is 1 more than 3. So please encourage your children to use the language of 1 more than. Okay. Oh, seeing as I haven't gone yet, shall we see if we can play another game? Would you like to do that, Susan? Okay, we'll do that. Right. For this game, again, you'll need your pen or pencil. You need something to write on. And Susan and I are going to have a go at playing a game. Now, I would like to draw 3 circles. Guys, choose any number with this game. Choose any number as long as it's no greater than 6. So it's got to be a number within 6. Susan, can you do your magic jumping trick? Because I'm right-handed and I can't write with this hand. Okay, ready? Magic jump. Thanks, Susan. Okay, so I'm going to clean my board. So in this game, I am going to ask Susan to help to draw 3 circles. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so Susan has drawn 1, 2, 3. 3 circles. Now my job is to see if I can draw 1 more than you did, Susan. Okay, so I'm going to draw mine underneath. So Susan has got 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to draw 1 more than 3. So 1, 2, 3, and 1 more makes 4. I'm going to write it down as well. 4. Okay, shall we try again? This time, Susan, I'll go first. Oh, sorry. Yeah, 4 is a bigger number. Yeah, that's right. I'm the winner because 4 is 1 more than 3. Okay, go on then. Let's have a go. Right then, Susan, I'm going to draw some more here. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. And here comes Susan. She's got to have 1 more than me. So how many do you think she's going to have? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more than 4 is 5. Let's see if we can draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one was number 4. This one was number 5. So the winner is this one. So number 5 is the winner because 5 is 1 more than 4. Okay. Enjoy your learning. It's time for us to go. And as Susan slowly disappears, we might say goodbye. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Okay. She's gone. Okay, guys. Enjoy your learning. Oh, no, she's not gone. There she is. She's gone. Enjoy your learning. See you tomorrow. Bye.